See, business intelligence and marketing, it's almost like, brick and mortar, right? No business can run without business intelligence, right? So it's going to be there forever, right? Now, what's going to change is how that happens, right? So, previously, a lot of manpower used to go into collect intelligence, organize that intelligence, draw insights from that intelligence, so on and so forth, and then have that intelligence support the decision making, because ultimately business intelligence is required for decision making, right? So, but now increasingly with all the contemporary technologies, be it NLP, be it graph, be it machine learning, a lot of this is kind of getting done by machines. Of course, a lot of experts have to train the machine to have them do it. So, in my view, nothing's going to happen to BI and marketing. How it happens in an organization is going to definitely change, right? And is it going to be still manpower intensive as it used to be? I don't necessarily believe so. But then where the organizations can then differentiate is what they do on top of it, right? So how they can potentially make a decision making layer on top of it, again by leveraging modern technologies, and also leveraging the domain expertise that still sits within the organization. So I think the way in which it gets done and then way in which it gets leveraged is going to change dramatically, and it's already changing it, and a lot of organizations are driving that change, and the startups are kind of aiding those changes. How, I mean, but is it going to be there? Yes, absolutely. See, my definition of AI is one of augmented intelligence and not artificial intelligence. So it's going to always augment the expert, right? Now, is it only going to automate things that the expert used to do in past? No. It's going to enable the decision making that the expert has to potentially take, right? So an AI engine, right? I mean, and you see a lot of evidence of that now, right? And a good AI engine has to go from data to decisions, right? And that decisions should be it should enable that decision making with the keeping in mind the expert, right? So for me, AI is gonna, increasingly move away from automation. Yes, automation is gonna be there, but then, how it augments, not automates, augments the expert is where, breakthroughs are gonna happen. And for me, my definition of AI is augmented intelligence and not AI for automation. 100% decision making. Yeah, yeah. I mean, AI has to go from data to decisions, and it has. And when I say that, it requires a lot of domain context, which still resides with the expert. It requires a lot of data, which needs to be integrated and intelligent. So it has to be for decision making. I mean, a good AI engine has to ultimately support or enable decisions. It may not necessarily, I mean, the soft AI part of it may not necessarily make decisions for you, but it's not a good AI engine in my view if it cannot enable decision making.